Good morning, y'all. It's about 9 o'clock and I'm on my way to Gualapiles, which is where a rainforest is. So there is where I booked a 6-in-1 adventure tour, and I'm going to take you with me today as I experience all of it. ¿Cuántas horas a Gualapiles?
Para llegar allá.
Sí.
Después que recojamos los otros 3, 1 hora.
Oh.
O menos. Si hay poco tráfico, mínimo unos 40 minutos.
Oh.
Sí.
Cuando lleguemos a la primera, vamos a hacer una pequeña demostración para explicar todos los detalles. No es mucho, pero hay un par de cosas importantes. Y vamos a estar por aquí. See that platform to the left? This is where the long cables start. Aquí empiezan los cables largos. But we are going to the small ones first.
Now, I really don't think I'll be able to record myself doing any of these, obviously, because I'm going to need to hold on to the thingy-jiggy. So I will record as much as I can.
70 kilometers por hora.
Oh.
Más tarde. We slow you down, always. Doesn't matter if you go really, really fast. The only thing you need to know about the brake is that it hits this and makes pop sound. Suena un poquito el freno cuando golpea esto, cuando se acerca. No se preocupen, it's just the brake when you hear that. Cuando escuchan eso, es solamente el freno. Cruzan las piernas, keep knees like that. Ve, las piernas las cruzan así y las rodillas van un poco juntas. The more you lean back, the faster.
Oh.
Entre más atrás, the higher you put your knees, the faster you go.
Oh.
Entre más atrás la espalda y más arriba las rodillas, más velocidad. If you cannonball like this, super fast.
Oh.
And you don't have to do it, pero no tienen que hacerlo, ¿verdad?
We are done with the zip line. We're going to do the teleférico in a little bit, but first we are going to eat. So this is the restaurant. See? So this is the really cute little area where we can see the forest right in the middle of it. I love it so much. Honestly, y'all, I'm afraid of ziplining, and I was really afraid that I wasn't going to be able to do it, but like, I didn't hesitate once. Like, it was really cool. So I'm so happy I was here to do this.
David.
Okay.
Thank you.
Look at this.
¿Tomar qué tienes? Tomar frutas, guanábana y agua.
Conocí en Panamá a unas personas que se llamaban, una era Windy.
¿Windy?
Ya, yo tengo unos amigos que tienen un lugar que se llama Chambalante por el Izamal, que es así con un cenote, pero pues está muy lindo, está muy grande.
¿Esto qué es?
You must to go to the tour of thermal of Tabacón. It's incredible.
Cuando regreso a Costa Rica.
Yeah, the next, it's incredible.
¿Está muy lejos?
Never ever, yeah, 4 hours
Oh.
from. In Mexico there are thermals como Carrizal in Veracruz, otro que se llama, está cerca de Filobobos, también en Veracruz, y no le explotan la parte turística, no le ponen. Esto está impresionante, los lugares que hay en... A ver, les voy a mostrar un video nada más para que den una idea de cómo está este asunto.
Just finished the aerial tram. That was really beautiful, but we're still not done, believe it or not. Now we're going to take a nature walk. So now it's 4 o'clock. I officially look like a whole clown. Like, look at my hair. But we are done with the tour, you guys. That was my 6-in-1 Costa Rican adventure, and I'm so glad I did it. It was worth the stay, because to be honest with y'all, San Jose is not my favorite city. So now I have about an hour ride back into San Jose. I'll probably get some dinner there, and then I leave tomorrow. So I probably won't see you all before I get back home. I probably won't make any more videos. So until next time, y'all. Bye.